10-4.
Vehicle wrecked out in the ditch. Get back here! You're done. Somebody, get on your back.
Okay.
Turn around. Hands behind your back. Freaking goober.
You scared me, bro.
You're scaring me.
You did.
Oh, crazy. I could freaking do a stop. Now look at you. Quit your crying.
I'm not crying. I'm crying. You're like being over.
Get up.
Okay. Ow.
Why'd you run?
Huh?
Huh? Why'd you run?
I'm scared.
You scared? You tried to run on foot too? That was dumb. What you got in the car? You got warrants or something? Get over here. Anything else on you?
No, I don't.
Get in the car. Good marks. You cool, man. Let's go see that. I do have damage to my vehicle and next thing right now.
We're back.
Just want to confirm no damage to the vehicle, or is it damage?
I've got damage to my vehicle.
Okay, thank you.
Get out. Lay on the ground right there.
I'm talking on the ground.
Who are you?
I'm Angie.
Lay down. You the passenger?
Yes.
Whose car is it?
Mine.
Huh?
That's mine.
Why'd he run?
I don't know because he's
What's in the car?
Nothing's in the car.
Nothing?
No, nothing.
Well, this don't make no sense, does it?
So, he's already got me in trouble.
Get up here and sit down.
I slid when you came up just all the way over there.
Didn't ask. Right there.
4 to 51.
Sit.
Okay,
Sit! Go ahead, sir.
Hey, no rush at all. But when everything's settled down, just give me a 21, please.
24, sir. Man, just give me the time until I figure out what's going on.
Can I say something?
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
Is he your husband or something?
My boyfriend.
Find a better boyfriend.
Huh?
What's his name?
What?
What's his name? What is his name?
Dominic.
Do what?
Dominic.
Dominant?
Yeah.
What's his last name?
Frank.